Hello everyone, this is Sanchita ma'am. Let's start a new lesson, that is lesson number 6, Physical and Chemical Changes from the book of NCERT Standard 7. What is change? A change is the law of nature which is occurred everywhere. Every day we observe changes around us occurring in the environment. Changes are important feature of nature. They take place all the time. Some changes are fast and can be noticed immediately, and others take long time to happen. Common natural changes are formation of day and night, climatic change, change of season, growth of a plant or tree, etc. There are some changes which are brought about due to human activities for our benefit. For example, cooking of food, freezing of water, etc. Next, you say the classification of changes. We can classify the changes under the following categories: natural and man-made changes, slow and fast changes, reversible and irreversible changes, periodic and non-periodic changes, desirable and undesirable changes, physical and chemical changes, endothermic and exothermic changes. Now, what are natural changes? Changes that take place in nature are known as natural changes. Examples are growth of plants, formation of clouds, ripening of fruits, etc. Man-made changes are the changes brought about by the activities of man. Examples are cooking of food, burning of wood, burning of fuels, etc. Second one is slow and fast changes. Changes that take a long time, like hours, days, months, or years to occur, are called slow changes. Examples are growth of tree from a seed, growth of baby to man, weathering of rocks, etc. Fast changes are the changes which take place within a very short period of time. Examples: burning of matchsticks, burning of crackers, breaking of glass. Third one is reversible and irreversible changes. Changes which can be reversed by reversing the conditions are called reversible changes. The substances change back to their original state after the occurrence of change. Example is water to ice, that is by cooling water changes into ice, and by heating ice again changes back into water. Changes in which the substances cannot be brought back to their original state after the changes are called irreversible changes. Examples are burning of paper, milk into curd, etc. Fourth one is periodic and non-periodic changes. Changes which are repeated at regular interval of time are called periodic changes. Examples are swinging of pendulum, phases of moon. Next one, changes which are not repeated at regular intervals of time are called non-periodic changes. For example, volcanic eruption. Next one is desirable and undesirable changes. Changes which are beneficial for us are called desirable changes. For example, fermentation of sugar, photosynthesis, digestion of food. Changes which bring destruction are called undesirable changes. For example, flood, earthquakes, epidemics, etc. In chemistry, the changes are broadly divided into physical and chemical changes. A temporary change in which the physical characteristics of a substance, such as state, shape, size, color, etc. change, but the composition of the substance remains same and no new substances are formed, are known as physical changes. For example, the glowing of electric bulb. When electric current is switched on, the filament of the bulb starts glowing and the same filament returns to its original form when the current is switched off. Number 2, dissolution of a substance in water is a physical change. Take a beaker and half fill it with water. Put some sugar into the water and stir it. The sugar dissolves and makes the water sweet. On evaporating the sugar solution, the sugar is obtained back in the crystalline form. Third one, stretching of a rubber band. Chemical changes are the permanent changes in which the composition and properties of the substance change and new substances are formed. The change cannot be reversed on reversing the conditions of the change. A chemical change is also called a chemical reaction. The original substances are called reactants, while the new substances formed are called products of the chemical reaction. For example, burning of paper. When we burn a paper, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and ash are produced. We cannot get back the paper from this. The last one is endothermic and exothermic changes. A change which proceeds with the absorption of heat energy is known as endothermic change. For example, atmospheric nitrogen and oxygen react together to form nitrogen monoxide in the presence of thunder and lightning. Number 2, melting of ice. Heat is absorbed during the melting of ice. Number 3, dissolution of ammonium chloride in water yields a solution which turns cold by absorption of heat during change. Exothermic change, a change in which heat is liberated, that is released, is called an exothermic change. For example, burning of fuels, respiration and rusting. Solidification of water to form ice.